Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, we will explore one of the most powerful CAD software, EdrawMAX. I will show you how you can create exceptional floor plan without any prior experience. You do not require any learning to make floor plan in EdrawMAX. And the great thing is, and now you can convert that floor plan into 3D realistic visual using AI powered EdrawMAX feature. And also I will show you how you can generate concept design, generating skyscraper visual, residential building and villa. How you can generate AI powered technical diagram. We will create feasible study, AI powered flowchart in EdrawMAX. So this video is going to be very exciting. Must watch out completely. You will get amazing insights at every turn. So without wasting time, let's begin. So first thing first, we have set up this in centimeter. Okay, let this wall shell and structure. So we'll create outer wall. Okay, you have option placing vertical wall and horizontal wall. Just drag and drop. Okay, stretch like this. So this fix you are getting feet and inches, right? So we will make into centimeters. So what you do, let this scale setting, metric unit and centimeter. Okay, drawing scale you can directly key from here, 1:100, 1:50, 1:500 as per your requirement. Okay, and precision let this 0. So as it is 1450 centimeter, let this vertical wall, just you have to drag and drop. Okay, edit here and we'll keep here 600 centimeter. This is okay, and simply take from here, we'll keep 1450, right, and place it here. Okay, same as it is, match this to this. So this is our outer wall. Okay, we will place office floor plan here. Okay, let this drag and drop. This is our partition, our division. Okay, now take vertical line. We will adjust dimensioning after finalizing our block. Okay, so we are making office floor plan. Let this here and one office block here, bigger area. Same you can keep copy or you can drag and drop. Let this copy and take one more here, and here we will keep one bathroom, open area and one store. Okay, let this simply here. Okay, this is our bathroom as it is. So our layout completely ready. Now we have to place dimensions, right? Let this dimensioning. So what you do, just drag and drop your dimension. This one exact 300 centimeter and this one just place here. So 421. So you have to move wall only. It will adjust. If you see here, I'm just stretching wall. It will fix your unit for your dimension. Okay, let this 425 and here also we'll keep 430, 430. Okay, take one more dimension, copy here and place simply 240 centimeter. Okay, this is our bathroom. So you have to stretch wall only. Dimension will adjust automatically. Okay, so 313. If you see here, I'm just stretching wall. I'm getting accurate dimension got adjusted. Okay, same as it is here also we'll keep. So here we are getting 250 centimeter. So bathroom 250 by 150 centimeter. Now we'll place doors and windows. Okay, perfectly. Let this here, doors and windows. Take dual leaf door. So this door we are getting 150 unit. Just drag and drop there simply. Now rotate like this. We want to change size, right? So we'll keep 90 centimeter and just move like this and simply place here 90 centimeter. Okay, and take like this. So I want to copy this one as it is, that area. Let this copy and keep it here. Now this area, our storeroom, we want to make open. Okay, let this one and place here. and just stretch up to here. So this opening axis, okay. And now here we want to place our door, okay, for bathroom. This is okay. So we have placed door successfully for our office and bathroom and main entrance, okay. Now we'll place window, okay. Let this here. Just you have to drag and drop and perfectly rotate and switch your size, okay. So one partition will keep here to block our bathroom door, and we'll keep one sink, okay. This is perfectly nice. And now you have to place window, right? Just drag and drop. Fix, you are getting 130 size. Copy and take here. So it will give you reference center to center, okay, like midpoint in AutoCAD. And now copy this one, rotate, we'll keep here, okay. One more copy again. So it will give center to center, your perfect alignment also. And now we'll place one window here. Let this rotate and we'll change size. For bathroom we'll keep 90 centimeter, okay, and just place here. This is okay. Our window and doors perfectly ready. Now we have to place our furniture layout, right? So we'll keep our furniture layout. Let this table, okay, our sofa. This is our waiting area. So just copy and keep like this. So our sofa for our waiting area, and let this here. So number of 5 sofas we are getting here, okay, same as it is. And now we'll place our office table, okay, let this one and place here, and you can scale like this. Same we want to copy, select, copy and place here. We'll keep one chair here and just simply rotate, okay. Let this is smaller size and rotate like this. So what I'm doing here, I'm just placing by drag and drop simply, okay, and same copy and keep it here, okay. Here our storeroom, right? So let this our cabinet for our documents, okay, just one here and one here. This is okay. Our furniture layout completely ready. Now we'll place bathroom. Let the sink and simply rotate and keep it here, okay. Let this closest tool and place it here, and bathtub, okay, and simply place it here. Now our bathroom furniture also perfectly fine. You can keep back order, like draw order, like in AutoCAD you can make draw order for your object, okay. Here if you see here, send to back, so it will go send to back, okay. Like this I will send this bathtub back, okay. So our dimension visible. We have created this floor plan faster, right? Now we'll place our text. Let this waiting area. This is our office 1, and copy, simply place it here. Office 2, place it here. Office 3. So number of 3 offices we are getting here, and this is our store, right? Let this store, okay, and drag and drop here our bathroom, right? You want to change dimension scale, let this one 13, and now we want to convert into 3D, right? Floor plan to 3D, selected one. Let this modern. Now you see here. So quickly we have generated this into 3D realistic view, if you see here. So if you had to create quick floor plan and you had to present into 3D view accurately, okay. So this is the only way to create floor plan without any learning curve, okay. Using EdrawMAX you can create perfect floor plan almost without any learning curve, and you can convert into perfect 3D view just from floor plan. You can import into PDF, okay, like we are importing into PDF, okay. You have option to import in multiple formats, and yes, you can import your CAD file also. If you are interested, let me comment, okay. So we have imported as a PDF. For example, I want to change this color, okay, or furniture layout, or it can be wall, or it can be text, anything, okay. Let this one and this one also, okay, and this one also. This is the powerful tool to make quick floor plan for your presentation, and you can generate 3D view also. These images generated using EdrawMAX. We will see how we can generate almost in no time. Okay. For that, let this home tab. This is your user interface for EdrawMAX, and let this AI image generation. Okay. Now I will paste my prompt here. Okay. And get your exceptional 3D visual. This is the best way to quickly place in your presentable slides within the EdrawMAX. If you see here, these are all the images generated using EdrawMAX just by simple prompt. You can create technical diagram, flowchart in EdrawMAX, and you can export exceptionally. Okay, so we will create a feasible study flowchart for residential building, okay, using AI. So let this AI and paste your prompt, okay, for your diagram, okay. So what I will do, I will paste my feasible study for G+2+5 floor residential unit. I want feasible study flowchart, okay. Just I will paste here and enter, okay, and just wait for a while. It will give you accurate, comprehensive, detailed flowchart in just one time. If you see here, you are getting 4 options and you can place effectively. So creating flowchart just now easy with EdrawMAX. Of course, you can customize technical diagram also. Just I request, can you please make a diagram? So just wait for a while. And also I request the diagram type, okay, let this here. So you are getting feasible study for your residential building, complete diagram. If you see here, you can create diagram, flowcharts almost in no time. How to download EdrawMAX? Of course, check out the link below in the description and click to download simply. Installation is just so easy. You can install in just 2 steps and you can start using EdrawMAX. I hope you got this video helpful. Which feature you got most exciting? Let me in the comment section, okay? If you want me to explore further deeply, feel free to leave your feedback. I hope you got this video helpful. Must explore EdrawMAX from your end and let me your feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.